Buying email solo ads is another technique in increasing your mailing list, fast and efficient. I will show you the whole concept of email solo ads in this module. First things first, why email solo ads? For startups, it is one of the inexpensive ways to get you subscribers. This way, you can build up the list a lot easier. Hope that with the techniques provided in this course, you can avoid the mistakes most online marketers make. In addition, email solo ads are also a quicker way in building up the mailing list as well. You pay another online marketer to promote your site for you. In other words, you get the subscribers from another existing mailing list from an online marketer. Isn't it a lot easier than getting subscribers from scratch? After increasing your mailing list, you can move on to ad swaps, which will be explained in the next few modules. Buying solo ads is just a stepping stone for you before you do ad swaps. You need to pay other online marketers in order to get your email sent to his or her mailing list. You are getting subscribers from another person's list. It is worth mentioning again, it is important for you to get the whole concept of email solo ads to find suitable online marketers, which is in the same niche as you, so that you attract the right group of people to your site. Then you will place the links in your emails to lead readers to your landing or squeeze page. The email writing should be done by you, and then send it over to the online marketer you bought email solo ads from. I will lead you on how to write email solo ads in this module. Follow the simple steps and tips given here, and you will be able to write attractive emails. First of all, brainstorm about an attention-getting subject line. It is crucial to determine whether your email will go into spam or trash without them even opening it. You must always create a sense of curiosity and urgency for them to believe that it will be something good and exciting for them when they open it. Content-wise, keep it as brief as possible. Avoid long-winded texts that annoy readers. You need to be straightforward. Tell them anything you need them to know. Be concise and clear, so that they will know what to do next. You can find solo ads vendors by searching through some websites where most of the online marketers hang out. For instance, Warrior Forum, SafeSwaps, and Solo Ad Directory are some of the websites where you can find vendors. Warrior Forum is a platform where most online events are advertised there, such as the giveaway events, joint ventures, and a lot of other internet marketing events. SafeSwaps is a platform solely for the purpose of selling solo ads and ad swaps. Lastly, Solo Ad Directory is a domain website from Reed Florin. He created a list of top recommendations list of online marketers who provide solo ads. These 3 websites are just recommendations. There are many other solo ad vendors you can search online.